I've been staring at the mirror to see how I'm doing this thing.
I'm down, I'm yours. Did it mean something to you like it really meant to me?
What's up, CurlGang? It's your girl Slim here. Today I'm going to be trying out this Crybabies hair mask, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it at the end. I'm gonna show you guys also how I apply it in my hair. See how crazy my hair is looking? Just keep watching. Alright, it's the Crybaby when your hair mask says repair it but you're still broken on the inside hair mask. It's a repairing hair mask, okay? So I'm gonna section my hair the way that it is, I guess in two. Portion here, portion here. It's already detangled, like I said. Alright, so I'm gonna clip this. No, actually I'm not gonna clip it up. I'm actually going to turn it into like a little space bun. Tie it up like this. My new hairstyle, y'all like it? Alright, so I'm gonna rip this open and start pouring a little bit on my hands to apply to that side of my hair. And then when you're applying, you just want to make sure that you're getting the ends of your hair as well. It feels nice. It actually smells pretty good. It doesn't smell like chemical. Alright, so what we're gonna do with this part when we finish with it, I'm gonna actually twist it. I'm gonna twist it into. I'm gonna turn it into a twist. I mean. And when we're putting this mask in our hair, we're gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, okay? Alright, you see we're focusing on the ends, making sure the whole hair is saturated with the product. I don't like this. I'm gonna part this properly. This is bothering me. Oh no. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, actually, no, I got it. Okay. Whew. Okay. Yeah, this was bothering me a lot. There we go. We fixed it. We sort of fixed it. I wasn't trying to make a straight parting for you guys that are probably gonna say, "Oh, it's still not straight." I wasn't trying to make it straight. Okay. staring at the mirror to see how I'm doing this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna put my bag over my head first. Not over my head, over my hair. Alright. See, whatever bag you have at home. This is why I be saving some bags, okay, y'all? We got our shower cap. Alright, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can really see it. This is what my hair looks like after the hair mask. And I'm not even gonna lie, it made my hair really fluffy. I'll show you out the back of it. It made my hair look really fluffy, you know? It made my hair really fluffy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I put in the leave-in conditioner and oil. To be honest, one positive thing I could say about the hair mask I just put on is the fact that it actually made my curls more defined. If you guys look, you guys can see how curly it is. Y'all see this? Okay. Overall, I think that it would actually be, it's okay, but it kind of left my hair dry a little bit. I think it would be better if I had paired it with a conditioner instead of just doing it by itself. I think I would have a better result. So maybe next time, like moving forward, I'm probably gonna try this hair mask again with the conditioner, and then maybe do like an update of this video to show you guys like what the results look like. But I honestly like the way it looks, like the way my hair looks and stuff. I mean, it doesn't feel dry anymore because I put a good amount of leave-in conditioner and oil just to moisturize it. Yeah, but I like this. To be honest, if I was gonna put my hair down or something for, I don't know, to go out, I would probably do this first, you know, like, I don't know, if I was going to something fancy, you know. But it's not that bad. It's alright. Just, if you're gonna do this, you gotta pair it with a conditioner. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment and share. Bye guys.
Don't want part of you, I want it all.